Let's see what we have in the fridge. Great! Fresh milk. Set flour in a bowl. And some cacao powder on top. Now you need to mix it thoroughly. Let's do this. I break one egg there and start kneading the dough. Followed by oil and by milk. It's important to mix the dough so that there are no lumps left. Just perfect. Let's put it on a baking dish. I send it to bake into the oven for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I need Oreos. Can't find them anywhere. Where are my cookies?
Where are the Oreos?
Let's see. Oh, here they are. The kitten stole them. Oh, give it back. Look how greedy you are. Here's your cat food. Help yourself. And give me the cookies. Good cat, thank you. Now we need to pour the cookies into the bag. Great, they fit. We need to turn them into crumbs with a rolling pin. A little effort and we're done. I pour the cookies into a plate and light the fire on the stove. I put the pan on the fire and put the milk chocolate inside. It needs to be melted. Stir it and don't let it burn. And at this time, our biscuit gradually rises and is now ready. It's time to get it out of the oven and cut it. First, I cut out the top and divide it into 3 identical cakes like this. A little cream on the stand and put the first cake. Cover with cream and the second layer. And the very top one. Now the whole cake needs to be covered with a thick layer of cream, both on the sides and on top. After that, I carefully level the cream so that the cake becomes smooth and beautiful. At the base of the cake, I put a little cookie crumbs which perfectly cling to the cream. And now I cover the top with liquid chocolate. Oh, it leaves behind very beautiful smudges. I'll add a couple of cream flowers to the top, and between them I'll put pieces of Oreo, like this. They fit perfectly. Our cake is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is. I can't wait to try it. And here's a piece. How delicious it is! Such an airy sponge cake and delicate cream. Thank you, friends. It was great. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. See you in the next video. Bye!